Anyone in the bunker yet?
There's somebody in the castle.
Huh?
Ready?
Enemy?
Hey, don't let them get in the castle.
Someone's already here.
No, they're behind it, not inside yet. Oh. Hey, Warren, how's the left look?
Watch out! Watch out, watch out, watch out!
Can you see him?
Oh, dude, that castle is mine, man.
Oh shit.
Changing mags!
Hey, right here, you see this hole? You can shoot
Yeah.
through that. Just to watch the castle. Just stick your gun through. Hey, Warren, you see the maroon guy? There's one guy right behind the maroon. That's Mike. Yeah. Hey, Warren, you think I can push up to the right? You think I moved up to the castle? Wait, don't move until I can cover you guys. Alright, can you cover Warren?
Huh?
You want to cover Warren?
I can't.
Why?
It's like right on us.
Hey, get the right side. Go watch the bunker. Watch the bunker. Go on that side.
Watch out!
You see Mike? You know.
Watch out. He's right there. The grandpa guy.
I got him! I got Mike! He's out! Watch out!
I see him.
He's over there. He's over there. He's over there. I got Mike from over there.
Yeah.
There's two guys right in front of us.